Many know him as the first Latino to serve as California's Attorney General. Others know him for the multitude of lawsuits he's brought against the Trump administration in that role, some 100 in all.
This lawsuit is one part of a multi-part effort to push back on these Trump administration attacks on our clean car standards, on our environment, and our state's public health.
Throughout his career, Xavier Becerra has been vocal about issues around social justice.
Healthcare is a right, not a privilege.
Raised by working-class immigrant parents in the state capital, Sacramento, Becerra was the first in his family to attend college. Decades later, as the state's top prosecutor, he earned a reputation for his unrelenting support for the underprivileged.
Today, we're announcing a multi-state lawsuit against Secretary DeVos of the Department of Education and the Trump administration in order to put a halt to their attempt to siphon CARES Act relief funds away from our K-12 public schools. These are funds from Congress that are largely meant to help our neediest schools confront the effects of an ongoing pandemic.
He's also been a strong voice in the country's heated healthcare debates, speaking out against attacks on former President Barack Obama's Affordable Care Act, which he helped to draft during his 12 terms in the House of Representatives representing California.
We argue that striking down the Affordable Care Act would cause immediate and irreparable harm to the people of our states. Over 11.8 million low-income individuals receive coverage through Medicaid as a result of the Affordable Care Act.
Becerra's selection as the new Secretary of Health and Human Services is essentially a reaffirmation of Obamacare and Joe Biden's stated goals of expanding its health benefits. But first and foremost, Becerra will be faced with the daunting task of overseeing the country's mass immunization against COVID-19 amid a pandemic that's claimed hundreds of thousands of lives. It is Tiyansan, CGTN, Los Angeles.